in, Gordon. Let's hit the road. Should have known it wouldn't be as easy as just driving down the road. Looks like we'll have to take a detour. Radio tower. If it's working, we need to send a warning to White Forest. They've got no idea the Combine's heading their way. Nobody's home. Wonder how long it's been deserted. They must have a transmitter in one of these buildings. I'll keep a lookout while you poke around inside.
Identified weapon acquired.
Power's on up here. Gordon, hide. Hunters. They're up there. Shh. It's on the roof. The door! Here it comes! Probably a scouting party. Let's go find out what we just powered up. I sure hope it was a transmitter. Here it is. Okay. The signal's really weak. Well, let's give it a try. White Forest, come in. White Forest, do you read? White Forest, do you read?
This is White Forest. Identify yourself.
This is
Alex? Alex Vance? Where are you? I expected you hours ago.
Well, we had a bit of a setback.
Don't you understand the gravity of the situation? The survival of Earth depends on the data you
Yes,
carry.
I know. But the Combine, they're heading your way.
What? What's that? What? You're heading our way? Well, I should hope so.
No, not
what,
us.
What was that?
Combine.
You're
have to
breaking
get
up,
ready.
Alex. What?
Crap. I wonder if he got any of that. Let's get back on the road. Here, let me open the gate. Let's keep going. See if we can pick up the road somewhere ahead. Hey, I know that peak. You can see it from White Forest. We're heading the right way. What? There it is again. There's an advisor around here someplace. Looks like we were the first to find this place.
5%. Power 85.
I think we found our advisor. The board said we should kill them before they hatch. Life support. What do you say, Gordon? Shall we pull the plug? Sorry about this. Maybe I can get this open. There we go. Over to you, Gordon. Whoa! No! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god. Gordon. Thank God you're all right. That thing was hurt. Did you see it? I can only imagine what it would have done if... Uh-oh. Sounds like it called its friends. Soldiers!
Since you brought that chopper in on your tail, you want to maybe help us take it down?
Oh, with pleasure.
Take it down!
Boy, are we glad to see you guys.
Whoa! That was amazing. The way you threw their minds right back at them. Well, I could sure use a drink. Who's with me?
We need to get back on the road, but our engine's shot to hell. I don't suppose you got any tools for working on cars.
Tools? Got a whole shop over here. Come on, we'll get you set up.